Wherever Atma Karaka is placed in the chart, a main story of life is seen from that area. A main story is seen from that area. For example, if I happen to see a very strong connection of Atma Karaka with the sign of Leo, then a very main story of life comes from the significations of Leo and the 5th house. Hello, welcome and namaskar. This is Astrologer Pratit Kanal. In this video, I am going to discuss a very interesting topic. This is my original research. So, how I developed, how I identified this technique was I was doing this consultation. This particular consultation was such a horrible experience that I can never ever forget in my life. In this lifetime, I can never forget this consultation. So, the thing was, this lady approached me for consultation, and the consultation was on behalf of her boyfriend who was in the USA. These guys have been dating for a couple of last half decade, approximately 5-6 years. The thing was, what boyfriend is telling to this girl was, I am in USA and I am trapped in a situation. The US government is behind me. So the chances of I and you meeting and doing marriage is very less. But the thing is, they had been in a very deep love. They have been in a very deep love since a very long time. They have spent a very quality time, good time over a very long period of time. Both the families and relatives, all the people around them are knowing that these guys had been dating since so long. So the girl is now confused that whether the boy is really telling the truth or the boy is really in the trouble. What was the actual situation? So this was the prior reason for the consultation. And the thing was, the girl is right now currently at the age of approximately 31 and 32. The age of getting married is getting delayed day by day. Age for getting married, and on the contrary, she cannot meet the love of her life. So, as I said earlier, wherever the sign of Atma Karaka, wherever the Atma Karaka is placed in the horoscope, a major story comes from that area. So please look at this chart. Atma Karaka moon was placed in the sign of Taurus in the Rashi chart. That is one part. But whenever we came across the significations of Atma Karaka, because Atma Karaka, Matri Karaka, Putra Karaka, the sequence of all these Karakas must has to be seen from the Navamsa chart only. Whenever because this Atma Karaka concept is of the Gemini, and whenever we look charts from the Gemini point of view, we have to directly move to the Navamsa chart. So Atma Karaka, even though it was placed in the Taurus sign in the Rashi chart, in the Navamsa, please see this red circle. In the Navamsa, it is placed in the sign of Leo. So the technique is, wherever the Atma Karaka is placed in the Navamsa, pick up that sign and see where that sign falls in the Rashi chart. So in this chart, Atma Karaka, moon. Atma Karaka may be any planet, moon, Mars, Venus, may be any planet. Suppose Atma Karaka, X or moon, is placed in the sign of Leo in the Navamsa, and this particular Leo is in the 7th house. So a very big story of life would come from the 7th house. People is born to give out a very long-term pending karma. From that particular house is seen from the Atma Karaka. So look at over this chart. In the sign of Leo, which is placed in the 7th house, there is a placement of Ketu. Okay, and there is this placement of Leo, which means love, relationship. In the house of marriage, there is Ketu, the Karaka for detachment, and on top of that, the Lord of 7th house is in the 11th house, as you can see, but again it's in the nakshatra of Mool. The Mool nakshatra is again ruled by Ketu. So again a Ketu, the Karaka for detachment flavor, is still in the 7th house. So This was a very blunt prediction, but I must have to predict that this was a karma you are born with, that you would not be able to marry the love of your life. And this is a very karmic story. Let's give another example. I was doing this consultation, and her Atma Karaka was placed in the sign of Aries in the Navamsa chart. This Aries was placed in the 8th house in the Rashi chart. So the 1, 2, 6. So the Rashi chart was Virgo rising. For a Virgo rising ascendant, Aries falls in the 8th house, and this sign of Aries was occupied by Atma Karaka planet in the Navamsa chart. So sign of Aries, the physical body, in the house of 8th. 8th house is a house of transformation. Whichever planet goes in the 8th house, a very big transformation comes from that house. Or wherever the sign of Scorpio is placed in the chart, a very big transformation comes from that area. For example, Scorpio placed in the 5th house, there will be a big transformation regarding to education. There will be the sign of Leo in the 8th house, then again a big transformation in regards to the education. This is a technique for blank chart prediction. So coming back to this chart, Atma Karaka was placed in the sign of Aries in the Navamsa chart. So let's pick up that Atma Karaka posited planet from Navamsa and put back in the Rashi chart. In the Rashi chart, it is in the house of 8th, the transformation. So the story of her life was, she was a very fat girl. Her colleagues used to bully him, and she had this liking for a guy, and obviously the guy not only rejected him, but the way he rejected her was in a very harsh manner. She really got shattered down into pieces, and she decided that I will change my health, I will change my body structure, and she reduced her diet. And right now she is she has a lots of followers in Instagram. I will not like to take out the name, but a lot of people follow her in Instagram, and she has her own gym, fitness center, and yeah, people follow her because Aries in the sign of Scorpio, a very transformative structure of life was seen. So this was the technique. Please go ahead and test it, and test it over your charts, your family's chart and other relatives chart, that wherever the sign, wherever the Atma Karaka is placed in the Navamsa chart, pick up that sign and superimpose that particular sign in your Rashi chart. And wherever that sign falls in the Rashi chart, a weak story comes from that area of life. So please test out these techniques and give me feedbacks in the comment section. Namaskar. Please take care.